Okay, I said I wasn't gonna read about the Galaxy S7 or the new LG because I knew they was gonna be on some fucking bullshit. But I had to after what I've seen and heard rumors that no app drawer is coming to Android and Google. What the fuck are you thinking? And LG, what the fuck are you thinking for even implementing that bullshit? No fucking app drawer. That's fucking customization for Android. For those and this is another thing that's pissing me off. It's fucking users, customers, owners with a fucking Android device out here asking me what is a fucking app drawer. What the fuck you mean? What the fuck is an app drawer? You're in fucking Android. You don't know what a fucking app drawer is? If I'm not if I'm not thinking straight, I think you a fucking iSheep troller or some shit. You a fucking Android in disguise using a fucking iOS device, and you coming into the conversation asking what an app drawer is. The app drawer is the little button at the bottom of your home screen, has six little dots in it. You press it, and fucking other apps pop up. That's the damn app drawer. If you have a search bar and widgets and all your apps in it, that's an app drawer. This is the shit I'm talking about. Fuck these fake Android fanboys on that real bullshit. If you don't feel app drawers are as important on Android, then maybe you with the wrong operating system for mobile. It's always been important for Android. It's been there since day one. It's been there since HTC One Nexus One. That's when app drawers was there. If you haven't followed Android since day one, you shouldn't even be with Android. I don't even care if you didn't feel like you didn't like iOS. You were like, I hate iPhone. I'm finna switch to Android. I mean, I couldn't even blame you because they don't have an app drawer. They don't have customization, no rooting, no launches, none of that shit. That's what made Android. Now, if Google is to even go full fledged with this no app drawer bullshit, who's to say what is next they take away? Who's to say they won't take away root next? Who's to say they won't take away themes and launches next? Because who's to say they won't take away widgets or lock screens? Because that's what's fucking making Android so popular. It's all the customization. Everything that you can do with Android, you can't do on Windows phones. You can't do on iPhones. You can't do none of that shit. So taking away the app drawer, it's just phase one. Peak game, people. They're not only just fucking copying Apple or jumping on an Apple bandwagon. Seems like this is going to be a cult and a fucking trend, and I don't like this shit. So if you disagree with me that app drawers ain't important, switch to iPhone. Go to Windows Phone. Get the fuck away from Android. I promise you, if Google announces that shit or Google I/O, I'm done with fucking Android. Real shit, because that's just the beginning.